Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Digit's credit monitoring features. Digit offers credit monitoring tools to help you stay informed about your credit health and to take action if anything unusual occurs. Here's how to access and use these features. First, launch the Digit app on your mobile device, or you can just visit the Digit website and log into your account using your credentials. Next, from the main menu or the dashboard, you want to look for an option like your credit score. It could be called credit monitoring or financial health. If you haven't already enrolled, Digit will prompt you to verify your identity. This may involve entering your social security number and answering a few security questions. Once enrolled, you're going to be able to see your current credit score. Also going to be able to update regularly. It's usually updated monthly, and along with factors influencing it like the credit usage, your payment history, and total accounts. Digit will alert you to major changes in your credit reports, such as new accounts opened, hard inquiries, missed payments, or significant balance changes. Next, go to your notification settings and enable alerts for credit monitoring updates, so you'll get real-time info on any significant activities. Next, Digit often includes tips or personalized suggestions to help you improve your score, so such as reducing credit utilizations or paying off specific debts. Keep an eye on it monthly, so you can do regular checks in this section to stay proactive about your credit health and to catch any errors or suspicious activities much early on. Credit monitoring with Digit helps you to protect your financial well-being while giving you tools to build and maintain a strong credit score over time. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.